Hello everyone, a big welcome to all of you. In this video, we will cover part 1 of banking awareness for the month of May. This will be a continuous monthly MCQ series. I have uploaded videos in the playlist section of my channel. You can find January, February, March and April series in the playlist section. This is May part 1. This will be a regular series for SBI Junior Associate, SBI Probationary Officers, IBPS Probationary Officers, RRB Officers, Mains Examination, RBI Grade B Prelims and RBI Assistant Mains Examination. We will cover banking and financial awareness of each month in 4 parts. Each part will have around 10 plus MCQs and overall per month we will cover 50 plus MCQs. The weightage of banking and financial awareness. So weightage of banking awareness in banking exams is quite high. Around 15 plus question come directly from this section in IBPS, SBI, RBI Assistant Mains Examination. In RBI Grade B Prelims exam, around 25 plus question come from this banking awareness section. Before covering MCQs, I will give you a brief background of banking sector mergers and shortcut trick to remember bank headquarters. MCQ की शुरुआत करने से पहले एक ब्रीफ बैकग्राउंड मर्जर्स और शॉर्टकट ट्रिक बैंक हेडक्वार्टर्स को लेकर. ओरिएंटल बैंक ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया मर्ज इनटू पंजाब नेशनल बैंक, सिंडिकेट इनटू कैनरा, इलाहाबाद इनटू इंडियन, देना एंड विजय इनटू बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा. शॉर्टकट ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर बैंक हेडक्वार्टर्स. If any bank name contains Bank of India in its name, its headquarter is in Mumbai, like Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Industrial Development Bank of India, State Bank of India, Union Bank of India. They contain Bank of India in their name. That is why their headquarter is in Mumbai. It is a shortcut trick to remember bank headquarters. If bank name starts with Indian, headquarter is in Chennai, like Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank. If bank name starts with Punjab, headquarter is in New Delhi, like Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. So it's a shortcut trick. Similarly, if bank name starts with United, its headquarter is in Kolkata. So starting with our MCQ, Dash Payment Bank in partnership with Safe Gold has launched a digital platform DigiGold for gold investments. So कौन से पेमेंट बैंक ने DigiGold नाम का डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म लॉन्च किया है इन पार्टनरशिप विद सेफ गोल्ड फॉर गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट? सो दैट इज एयरटेल पेमेंट्स बैंक. एयरटेल पेमेंट बैंक, सेफ गोल्ड, DigiGold, गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. Next question. Dash appointed as the 4th Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. So who is RBI's 4th Deputy Governor? It is T. Ravishankar. You can clearly see in the photo. फोटो में आपको दिख रहा है T. Ravishankar, 4th Deputy Governor of RBI. Next question. The New India Assurance Company Limited, that is NIACL, has been reclassified as a public shareholder of which bank? Answer is Axis Bank. NIACL has been reclassified as a public shareholder of Axis Bank. So NIACL has done some investments in Axis Bank, which is why it's a public shareholder of Axis Bank. NIACL Axis Bank. Next question. SEBI has asked the companies to pay the minimum of -% of the salary of the key employees of asset management companies to be in mutual fund units. That is 20%. So 20% of the salaries of key AMCs, that is asset management companies, has to be in mutual fund units. That is been ordered by SEBI. SEBI headquarter is in Mumbai. It's a regulator of stock market. Pockets became the first in India in the digital wallet sector to link e-wallet with UPI network. The digital wallet Pockets is off. So Pockets is the first in India, the digital wallet sector, to link e-wallet with UPI network. As you can see in the picture, Pockets ICICI Bank digital wallet. Pockets is of ICICI Bank. Next question. Dash selected as digital payments partner by National Agriculture Market, ENAM. So ENAM selected Kotak Mahindra Bank as its digital payments partner. So Kotak Mahindra Bank selected as digital payments partner by National Agriculture Market. Next question. RBI increased the account balance limit of Payments Bank from 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Which was the first payment bank to implement the policy? It is Airtel Payments Bank. पहले आप अपने अकाउंट बैलेंस में सिर्फ 1 लाख रुपीज रख सकते थे, बट RBI increased the limit to 2 lakh in your digital wallet. So which was the first payment bank to implement the policy? Airtel Payments Bank. Airtel Payment Bank increased the account balance limit of payment bank from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. Next question. Dash collaborated with fintech Nira to offer personal loan of up to rupees 1 lakh to salaried customers. That is Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance ने कोलैबोरेशन किया है with fintech company Nira to offer personal loans up to rupees 1 lakh to salaried customers. Next question. Dash has been appointed as Executive Director ED of RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So who has been appointed ED of RBI? In the picture you can see his image. That is Josh Kattur. Josh Kattur has been appointed as the Executive Director, that is ED of RBI. This is the part 1 of banking and financial awareness for the month of May. There will be 3 parts. ये तो सिर्फ पार्ट 1 था और 3 पार्ट्स आएंगे, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3 एंड पार्ट 4. जनवरी के चारों पार्ट, फरवरी के चारों पार्ट, मार्च के चारों पार्ट, अप्रैल के चारों पार्ट प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन में पड़े हैं. दिस विल बी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर योर बैंकिंग एग्जामिनेशन जनरल अवेयरनेस सेक्शन. मे के बचे हुए तीनों पार्ट्स अगले वीडियो में मैं लेकर आऊँगा. थैंक्स.